Hello there, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing the somewhat trending crisscross rubber band braid style but with a crochet install, and I'll be using the free dress deep twist air in the fall colors TT30 and TT350. Now both colors are ombre and I've been saving this air since 2019. I mean, that's like 3 fall seasons ago, and I finally got to use them. And at this point I'm just gonna say please enjoy the video as I get started. As it were, I already have my section that I'll be doing 1, 2, 3, 4 sections in the front. I'm really wishing myself luck for real on this one because styles like this I do not know. And so I already sectioned my hair front and back. That's the chunk I'll be putting a crochet in the back. Let me just tie that up with a rubber band. Then for the front I'll be doing 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully this turns out good. And I am done with the front of my hair now. Actually, not as bad as I thought it would go. But confession, I did a lot of it on my hair to get it to lay like this on a good day because my hair is never this cooperative. So I guess I tried. And some gel. So, see? It's submitted. I'm just going to put some cornrows on the back now and then throw the crochet hair in. So keep watching. And so the back of my hair is all braided now. Since I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 rows in the front, I decided to put 8 rows in the back also. Like 8 cornrows, like so. Not the best looking cornrows in the world, but hey, it will do. It's gonna underneath a crochet. So I'm just gonna start with the hair now. I want the hair to be layered, so I'm gonna be putting the color T350, the auburn one, in the back. Then the color T30, which is this, will be at the top. I've been dreaming of using this color for years. Like, I mean, confession, I've had this hair for about 3 years now. I was supposed to use this in the fall of 2019, but then I did not. Fall of 2020 came, I did not. And year 2021, I'm like, I must use this hair. So the time has come. Yes, the set time has come. So let me get started. We all know how to do crochet braids, like at least some of us do. Latch hook goes in, boom, ouch. Not 1, 2, 3. Knots. And that's just how it will be done. So I'll be back. I'm finishing up now, but it's like I'm losing the light. Like it's still really bright outside, but not super bright in here. I think I'm gonna turn the light on, but let me see how far I can go without the light on. So all of my hair is in. Okay, I think I'm just gonna stop and move back and turn the light on. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Whew, so the hair is all in now. Ooh, that took a while. Like I just got tired and I sat down. That's why I wasn't recording a lot. Yeah, but it's all I know. 3 bags enough. 2 bags of the color T350 and 1 bag and a half of the color TT30. Let me just throw some moves on now. Gotta move fast, move fast. Take some pictures and go grab my baby from daycare. Whew. I've never had any crochet. Wait, I was gonna say I've never had any crochet in this length before, but the only time I had crochet in this length was the free dress and Brazilian curl. The Brazilian curl, then I had that in model 2. Other than that, all this loose crochet I tend to cut in half. So it's gonna take a miracle for me to survive with this length on my head. Whew. Hopefully I can work it, and if I can't work it well, I got tons of scissors. I'll just be like snip, 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 snip real quick. But I really will try, because I've always had my eye on the deep twist hair one long, but throwing some mousse on usually calms the hair down. And scissors again, snip, snip. Feels a bit tight at the top thanks to the rubber bands, but I can proudly say I am done. Not bad, really not bad. Let me put some spray on. Spray. Whew. Yep, I think I'm liking it. So thanks for watching. Thank you.